Hi everyone, let's talk a bit more about the condos here in Station 1. A lot of people ask what it's like to own a condo here, so I'll just explain it in the way I usually do with friends. One nice thing about this area that it's close to the golf course and water activities, so it feels more open and relaxed. At the same time, you're just a short walk from the main beach. Some units even have overlooking sea views, which really adds to that getaway feel. There are different unit options too. We have studio units, 2 bedroom and 3 bedrooms with balconies. So whether you want something compact for weekend stays or bigger space for family and friends, there are options that make sense. Condos here are also easier to manage. You can just come over, enjoy the beach, walk around, eat out and unwind without worrying too much about the maintenance. And when you're not around, there's also a good potential income to use the unit for rentals, especially since Station 1 is where most of the amenities, dining spots, and activities are located. So it's something you can enjoy personally and also make use of when it's not being used. Just to set proper expectations here, the 4 to 5 year timeline I usually share are just my personal conservative take based on the developments like this usually progress. It's not an official timeline, just something I share to some people to have a clear picture and to manage expectation. This project isn't something you need to rush. That's really a good thing as well if you're looking for a place you can enjoy over time and also keep the property as a long-term investment. Overall, it's really about having a good place you can slowly grow into just for quick getaways now and more possibilities of investments in the future. So if you're curious and want more details about this project, feel free to message me anytime. I'm happy to share more infos and insights.